Hey everyone, it's Tiffany from Play Live Repeat, and today is National Tie-Dye Day. So let's get started and make some really cool tie-dye creations using our swirling style studio. Thank you so much to Yulu for sending this to me. I'm having so much fun tie-dyeing everything. So let's get started. What you're gonna need is your gloves. So make sure you save your gloves from your last time you used your swirling style. And this is really, really easy to use and a lot of fun. Great for like creating your own creations for like a summer party. Whenever social distancing is over, we can all get together and create our own tie-dye creations starting at night, and then overnight you let it dry, and then the next day you just wash it and you can wear it. It's really, really fun and super easy. So before you begin, get your garment that you're going to use and wet it. Make sure it's clean, of course, but make sure you wet it too. It's really easy for the dye to take. And we're going to bunch it up any which way you like. You could use the Swirling Style Studio instruction manual to show you how to make different creations like the twist, the crumple, the bullseye, the double swirl. I like to create my own creations by folding it in half and drawing with a washable marker half of what I want to look like that's going to be tie-dyed. So in my last video I did trolls, and I actually made one that looked almost identical to Poppy. It was unbelievable. It was my first time doing it. Okay, now we're going to twirl and swirl to get a really cool design on my canvas bag. Okay, now that I have my canvas bag shoved in here, we're going to put the swirling style on top of the stand. And you could put it either way. I'm gonna put it like this first. Okay, this is the fun part. Now you get to put all of your colors in. And because there's no mess involved, you just have to take this part off and then just squeeze the color in. We're using a lot of dark colors because it's a very like brown canvas bag. You can get some dye, just make sure you wipe it off really quick. And you can even rotate it to get to your next nozzle. Okay, now I'm going to turn it this way. So I can distribute the color more, and I'm going to finish with some purple. Okay, now what you would usually do is just leave it in this globe for 4 hours to have the color set, but because I'm going to move on to another project, I'm going to remove it from this. And you can easily do that by just taking this out and then placing it in a Ziploc bag. Make sure you keep your Ziploc bags for every single project because you can totally reuse these. You don't have to throw them away. You just rinse them out, let them dry, and they're good to go. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to check and see if I need to distribute color anywhere else, which I think I do. I'm going to add some blue over here, and holding it like this actually helps it a little bit better. Okay, now I'm going to carefully remove this. Just put it in here. Any excess can just drip out. And once it's done, you're going to just rinse it off in the sink, throw it in the wash, and you're good to go. Let's take this out. Hopefully we have no drippage. All set. Sweet. Time I see you, this will be ready to be rinsed in the sink. Here's my tote bag. See how it did. I hope. Oh, it looks like we missed a whole spot. And then you're gonna wash these and dry them and see the magic. Here is my tote bag completely done. Now it's dry, washed, good to go. So I'm loving it. I love it. I'm gonna take this to the beach with me. Hopefully they open soon. And now it's totally cool and totally retro for National Tie-Dye Day. Thank you so much to Yulu for sending the swirling style to me. Stay tuned for more videos throughout the day featuring my creations. And don't forget to like, subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and on TikTok at Toy Mom. Thanks for watching and have a great day.